my mouth. I'm tired.
Okay, Ryland's opening his
Hold on,
Christmas gift from Santa.
Wow.
Let me see, Ryan. Batman!
Wow.
Ryan, there's another thing. Right over here. Ant-Man stuff. Remember from my toy store?
It's a dinosaur.
Yes! I know it! Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Dinosaur.
What's the other thing, right?
Ant-Man.
No, right there.
The bat.
Dick,
What?
The
Right there.
and the red.
The
The
dinosaur.
battery
this?
is dead in here now.
Dinosaur.
There's
Oh, baby.
the extra battery is just in that red bag though. Show me.
Show
What
mom.
did you get?
Show mom. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Wow.
Whoa.
Now let's leave them all in the boxes until we're done. Let's leave them in the boxes till we're done. Why don't you make a nice stack? Can you make a pile of all your